day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Country girl. That's all me I gonna say. Now, I'm gonna talk about a youth named Pretty Boy from Guiana. But I just want people to keep in mind that Guiana has been the fastest growing country for 2023 because they got oil. And just keep in mind that as we move forward, you're gonna see more of Guiana on the map in a lot of things. Let's go.
We pledge ourselves
Others lose
to liberate all our people from the continuing bondage of poverty.
Man, I move like Taliban and a ISIS. At the end of the day, I feel all of my dogs in the streets. I do road this a lunchtime. I go so hard on the lane and the main feel the pain and the tough time. All look at your work goes on the tear and the other face tough. If you're a giant, then you're rough time. Simple thing to life is a delicate subject and a predicate. But this not elevate, fuck a lot of delegate. Come and send about the fret, youths now waste your intellect. Mistake which I correct, live life with no regret. The long term of success will feature.
Look at the screen in front of you. That was one of Guyana's most notorious. And the man them get rid of him. I'm gonna talk a little bit about this guy right here. His name is Pretty Boy, straight out of Guyana. Now, who is Pretty Boy? His name is Edward Skeet. He's from Allboat Town in Guyana. And for years, he have been doing a lot of BS. BS like this. Mr. Skeet, aka Pretty Boy. Like I said, he ran out in Guyana and then he moved over into French Guiana, because you know Guyana and French Guiana is close by. But while he was in French Guiana, he was doing a lot of crime, and the man them from Guyana watch him, and next thing you know, them kill him right there. So you're looking at him right there, laying down in the middle of the street by his bike. Now, this man escaped 2 execution attempts on his life. Now, this man was charged with murder twice. And the last time it was in 2018. And he beat the murder charge. He has also done a series of armed robbery. And in the armed robbery, he ended up robbing that man right there, Debbie Banshee, of $2 million, and end up killing the man. And for some reason, he ended up beating the case, but was found guilty for robbery, so he did some time for robbery. After all this went down, he left Guyana and went over to French Guiana. But he thought he was safe in French Guiana. But the man them in French Guiana, they had links in Guyana and they have been watching him. And there's another thing I want to say about this guy. This is not gonna be too much of a long video, because I wanted to highlight what's going on in Guyana also. But one thing these so-called shotters or badman or gunman, you cannot war without money. If you is involved in certain things and you do not have any money to facilitate your safety, whatever, buy arms, whatnot, you're gonna die. So you out there riding your little scooter bike and maybe have a one gun and think you's the baddest thing on the planet. I have news for you guys. Pick your war them carefully. Pick what you're doing carefully. Because if you do not have any money and you go to start a war or you go and do free, you're gonna die. And that's what I want to say about this case. Pretty boy had enough chance to turn his life around. He had lots of chance to do the right thing, but it just seems like he kept on escalating. So instead of low-key, out of trouble, out of people's eyes, what he did, he went to French Guiana and tried to take over the man them country, and other man in Guyana have links in French Guiana, and then pretty boy get licked down. His 12 points is gone. 2 shot in him head, and that's how him end. Remember now, Guyana have oil, and Guyana is the fastest growing economy in the world. Them have a lot of oil. Not only that, Guyana is right beside Venezuela, Colombia, all of South America. Not only that, Guyana is a big country with only 900,000 people. So there is many rooms for improvement and to do all sorts of things. So as we move forward in the new year, listen for Guyana to be on the radar. Okay? Listen, I hope I explained Pretty Man or Pretty Boy Tuna. But check this out. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. And I'm out. Peace.